Are you one of those people who once held a brick-solid Nokia phone in your hands? The kind that would break the floor if you dropped it, not the phone. Well, get ready, because Nokia is about to shake up the market once again. But this time, Nokia is bringing a smartphone that packs everything, from a DSLR killer camera to the most powerful processor. So folks, get to know the name of Nokia's beast of a smartphone, the Nokia X100 Ultra 5G. So if you're looking to get your hands on this phenomenal smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Because, in today's video, we're breaking down all its leaked features, price, and launch date details. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia X100 Ultra 5G. Display. A display that wins your heart at first glance. It's rumored to feature a massive 6.78-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED panel. But that's not all. Whether you're gaming or binge watching, the buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate will transport you to another world. And for protection, it's got Gorilla Glass 7. So, you get stunning looks with unbeatable toughness. Camera setup. Now, for its most explosive feature, the camera setup. On the back, we're looking at a triple camera system. Leading the pack is a monstrous 144-megapixel primary sensor. It's joined by a 32-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. And for all you selfie lovers, listen up. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera. That means every shot is instantly Instagram ready. Performance. And now, the moment everyone waits for, performance. This Nokia smartphone is rumored to have the heart of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. Think top-tier gaming, seamless multitasking, and blazing fast 5G speeds. All of this will run on the latest Android 16, promising the best software experience. Battery backup. Power users, this one's for you, you're gonna love this. This phone is rumored to pack a monstrous 7500 mAh battery. That's a claimed 1.5 to 2 days of juice on a single charge. And if you do run out, don't sweat it. It's expected to support 90-watt super fast charging, giving you hours of power in just minutes. Price and launch date. So, you're probably wondering, this phone sounds insane, but what's it gonna cost? According to our sources, the price could be set around $500. If that happens, this could be a total game changer in this segment. In the launch date, nothing official has been announced by Nokia yet, but rumors suggest we could see this phone hit the market by the middle of next year.